it is?
Yeah.
It'll be so good for black and white, dude, this fucking straw stuff here. And this is like the trip up. Yeah. Wow, look at this. You're blowing it, it's the lizard going down the drain, dude.
Oh well. That sucked. Hey, pull him back out.
No way, this is too hot, dude. What do you see these fucking shots I'm getting here? It's so hammered.
Yeah. Huh? Anything you can use?
Is there any way I can use your tripod for one shot so this can be still?
Sure.
Okay, check this out.
Hold on, let me finish this.
Hurry, I don't want this guy getting out of his pose.
Alright, here I come. Here I come.
Oh, killer, you beautiful baby, you hold still. Well, I get this last one screwed in.
Hold on, let me get closer up here, man.
Where the fuck's my other hole?
Alright, Angela, so speak up. What happened to the Ming?
The Ming's been 86.
Why?
Basically because he's a moron. He has no learnings. He's from another country also, which makes him bad. Very bad.
He's from Trinidad.
Yes, he's an illiterate. Very much so. He has no learnings, basically.
Tell us some of the stupid things he did.
Boy, he masturbates and snores at the same time. That's one thing he does. He's got a habit of thumbing his own anus and sniffing it while he's in the shower. He speaks quite weird. And amongst other things, he did irritate me. Otherwise, you know, He's a total moron.
Tell us that one story. Shit in the hamper.
We feces in his hamper quite a while ago. Yes, that was interesting. I do remember that quite well. We woke up one morning. A friend of mine had the feces. He was sleeping on the couch, and he went to go into the Ming's. he went to go into the bathroom, and the Ming cut him off and went into the bathroom. So he went into the Ming's bedroom, opened his clothes, had bird feces in it, and the Ming later that evening searched for feces and found it, of course. He blamed the whole thing on me, in which I abused him for accusing the superior of such a thing, and eliminated him for a few days, away from society. But yeah, that was basically the feces situation.
And what was that famous statement that he gave?
Oh, you want to fucking the ass? It was about the time. Oh, this is pretty funny. It's about the time the Ming described it to me as what I just said. It was pretty weird.
So he's basically a mongoloid illiterate piece of shit, huh?
No, he's not a mongoloid. Mongoloids are more like Craig Pearson.
Tell us about Craig Pearson.
He's a moronic bastard. He too has no learnings. He's wrong, and he's a hemorrhoid.
How about Ray, your other employee?
When you take apart a Darrington and re-roll it, it sure tastes weird. Oh, Ray?
Yeah.
Oh, he was a moron. He knows what male sperm tastes like. Oh, not that he's a homosexual. Ray has a 35-foot penis with large testicles the size of grapefruits. It's just, when he ejaculates into his young girlfriend's mouth, he swaps spit with her afterwards, and it's quite depressing. Quite depressing.
Doesn't she have him on a leash?
Beyond your wildest imagination. You can't even comprehend how beyond.
Like if she told him to kill his own offspring, he would probably do it.
Oh, I doubt it. Why are you laughing and screwing the tape up, isn't it?
No, it's all right. So, the Ming is 86th forever, or do you think he'll be back?
No, I doubt it. If he comes back on begging knees, give me all of his worldly possessions, and allowing me to own him 100%, I may consider it. But even at that, it's a chore because he'll have to be fed, such as Salsy was in the past. But I would like to see him gone permanently. It would be good. Real good.
Yeah, I don't know. Seems kind of like trash to me.
Trash to you?
Yes. And look at me, I am garbage.
That's simply why it's happening.
I don't know. What about the girls' gym?
It's a rather interesting place. It's most amusing to watch. Definitely.
You have some future plans for the girls' gym, don't you?
Not that I know of.
Come on.
I don't recall any. It's just a place next to my shop. A lot of buffs coming in and out all day long. They're interesting to watch. That's about the extent of it.
I remember one
This is Merle Perkins. Would you like to say hello to Merle?
Howdy.
How do?
So what is up basically now?